welcome to another lawnfawn video. Today we are so excited to be going over all of the products from our fall and winter 2024 release. We are so excited to show you all of these fun stamps, dies, stencils, and more from this awesome release. And we've featured some of these products in our August Inspiration Week, and we'll be featuring the rest of them in our September and October Inspiration Weeks too. We will also have many upcoming intro videos and gorgeous design teen samples. The awesome thing is that all of these fall/winter 2024 products are available on August 22nd. So everything you see here in this video that we have been featuring in August and will feature in September and October will be available on August 22nd. So we thought today it would be fun to give you a peek at all of the fall/winter 2024 products while we wait for more Inspiration Week and intro videos to come. So let's go ahead and check out everything in the fall/winter 2024 release. So first up, we're going to take a look at my favorite brand new stamp set, and that is Little Woodland Library and also the Little Woodland Library add-on. And these stamp sets have coordinating dies and also coordinating coloring stencils too. And these little reading critters have my heart. I mean, look at them. They are so cute. You have the adorable reading critters and also that little free library that you can stamp. And in the add-on, you have all of these cute little book titles that you can stamp on the book that the fox is reading. It is just the sweetest thing, and I love this set so much. And to go along with it, we have these awesome book collection dies. And these books are so cool. I love that you can combine them with the Little Woodland Library. You can use them on their own, or you can even combine them with some of your other favorite stamp sets. They are so cute and so much fun to play with. We also have a stitched bookmark die, and I am so in love with this bookmark because you can make it look like the cutest little bookshelves, which is just so adorable. I mean, look at the little lamp. Is that not the cutest thing? Then you can also use it without the shelf idea, or you can even do things like personalize it with the recipient's name, or you can use those little window openings and create cool openings on your cards. So there's so many fun ways to use this die. Next up, we have our brand new interactive die, Swivel Surprise, and this die is so much fun and really easy to put together. And as the recipient opens the card, you get this amazing surprise of these rotating circles. Oh my goodness, I just love this so much, and I love that it's such a wonderful surprise for the recipient to have this amazing motion as they open the card. There's so many cool things that you can do with this die, and we have an intro video showing you how to do a bunch of these. One thing I love about Swivel Surprise is you can combine it with any of your favorite stamps or dies to create cards for any holiday, occasion, or anything that you can think of. And oh my gosh, these cards are so much fun to put together and even more fun to give away. Oh my gosh, they just make people smile. Now next up, we have a fun Halloween stamp set. We have our Sweet Spiders stamp set and Sweet Spiders add-on. And these stamps have coordinating dies and coordinating coloring stencils too. And these make for the cutest cards. I love the sentiment. I hope you catch all the treats. There's a really cool spider web that you can use on them, or you can use all of the cute little spiders on their own. And then we have some fun things that go really, really well with that Sweet Spider stamp set. And this is our Build a Cauldron, and I can't tell you how much fun this is. It's so much fun to mix and match all of the little elements and create your own adorable cauldrons. And of course, you can mix and match it with the Sweet Spider stamp set too. And then to make the perfect background for your awesome Sweet Spider cards, we have a spider web backdrop. And this creates a backdrop that's 5.5 by 4.25 inches, standard size card size. And the backdrop is so cool. You can cut it out of cool things like vellum or glitter black cardstock. It just looks absolutely amazing. And then one more thing that you can do to create your perfect spooky cards are these spider web background stencils. It's a pack of 2 different styles of spider webs, and they look absolutely amazing with so many fun inky techniques. It creates this really cool subtle spider web in the background that is just such a blast to play with. Next up, we have our You Crow Girl stamp set, coordinating die and coordinating coloring stencil, and she is so sweet and such a perfect match to our classic Happy Harvest stamp set. Then next, we have our treat cart add-on coffee. So this takes the adorable treat cart that we came out in summertime and turns it into a little coffee cart. We also have our Tiny Sentiments coffee, which has tiny little sentiments that are perfect for adding to your coffee-themed cards. And oh my goodness, these turn out so cute. I love that you can turn it into a general coffee cart, or there's also elements to turn it into a fall coffee cart or a winter coffee cart. So there's so many cute things that you can do with it. And I love that it takes the treat cart and makes it something totally new and super, super fun. And speaking of coffee, we have our awesome new coffee cup gift card holder. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. It can hold a gift card perfectly, which is such a great way to give something like a Starbucks gift card. But what I love about this coffee cup is that you can use it without the gift card element too. There's so many cool ways to do it. You can decorate it for any season or any holiday, so it's a great year-round die. Oh my gosh, it's perfect for coffee lovers and it's perfect for giving those great Starbucks gift cards that we all love to give as gifts. Next up, we have our Cheesy Christmas stamp set and Cheesy Christmas add-on. And of course, these stamps have coordinating dies and coordinating coloring stencils too. And that cheese tree, oh my gosh, it is just too much. So the cards with this turn out so super cute. You have your cute little dancing mice and then our mice holding presents as well. These are really, really great in the brand new interactive die. And there's so many cute ways to combine it with your favorite mice from other stamp sets too. Now, one of the things I love about these cheesy Christmas mice is that you can also have them dancing around a plain normal Christmas tree. So here we have our brand new Build a Christmas Tree die set. This is so much fun because you can build your own Christmas tree and decorate it too, and then you can add those cute little mice dancing around the Christmas tree, which is just so sweet. This is Frosty Family and Frosty Family add-on. And of course, these stamp sets have coordinating dies and coordinating coloring stencils too. And I love these so much because they were designed so that you can make your own Frosty family, your own snowman family. We even have a snow cat and a snow dog. It's so much fun to mix and match all of the different elements. They turn out absolutely adorable. I mean, these snowmen, they make me smile so much. Next up, we have our Simply Celebrate Santa, which has its coordinating dies and coordinating coloring stencils. And I love this row of reindeer with the cute little Santa among them. It just makes me smile and it makes for the cutest cards. Now, all of these holiday and winter cards need the perfect sentiment, and that's why we have created our Henry's Build a Sentiment Winter. We had the spring set come out, now we have winter, and also a family add-on as well. You can mix and match any of these sentiments together so the family ones work with the spring and work with the winter, and all of these sentiments are so sweet and so much fun to mix and match for the perfect thing for your card. This is our Ta-Da Diorama Maple Leaf Window add-on, and it creates the cutest window for your Ta-Da dioramas in this great maple leaf shape. You can see as you open it, we have our cute little Woodland Library characters right in that opening. But the other thing I love about this die is that you can use the leaf shape on its own too, and the cards with that turn out absolutely gorgeous and perfect for fall. And speaking of fall, one of my favorite things about fall are sunflowers. Sunflowers are my absolute favorite flower. And now we have our sunny sunflower and also this sunflower border. And these are absolutely gorgeous. I am so in love with how they turn out. You could add your cute little sunflowers to a jar. That sunflower border is perfect for adding cute details to cards. And these sunflowers are really, really great with the brand new swivel surprise too. We're adding new critters to our Tiny Gift Box family, and now we have our Tiny Gift Box Owl and Penguin add-on. And oh my gosh, are these guys the cutest ever. Look at that little owl. He is absolutely adorable. These little boxes are so much fun, and I love that you can use the die cut elements on cards as well as the Tiny Gift Box. This is our cute candy cane dies, and these dies are so sweet and so perfect for the holidays. I love them on their own, or they're really, really fun with that brand new coffee cup die. Oh my gosh, I just love them. Next up, speaking of candies, we have our peppermint border, and this little peppermint border is so much fun for the holidays. Here you can see that we've used it as a border, but you can also use the little peppermints on their own too, and I think that is such a cute look on holiday cards. Next up, we have our awesome Peppy Penguin. This little penguin is a paper piecing style die, and he is just the cutest ever. He can also hold that little string of lights, which makes me smile so much. We've come up with another add-on for a favorite product. So these are our Scripty Joy and Scripty Mary outline add-ons. It gives an outline base to these previous release Scripty Joy and Scripty Mary words. And so it gives these words a totally new look and makes them really, really bold on cards. On the left here, we've used some vellum behind, and on the right, I use white cardstock, and it's so cool with those Scripty words. And speaking of the perfect die cut sentiments, we now also have giant Feliz Navidad, which is such a cute and fun mix for those adorable mice from Cheesy Christmas. Next up, we have our sequin mix dies, and what we have here is 3 different styles in 3 different sizes: circles, stars, and hearts. You can die cut them out of metallic or holographic cardstocks to create your own custom sequins for layering on cards or creating shakers. They look really awesome cut out of vellum too. These are so beautiful, and I love that you can create your own custom perfect little embellishments for your cards. This backdrop is one of my favorite of all times. It's our string of lights backdrop. I love it so much. And we also have an extra bulbs add-on. So if you want to be able to die cut a bunch of bulbs all at once, you can do that with that small add-on. And these backgrounds are absolutely gorgeous and make for the most stunning holiday cards. Next up, we have a great basic die. We have our stitched rounded rectangles in both large size and small size. These are all sized to a standard size card, so the largest is 5.5 by 4.25 inches, and it makes for such a beautiful, fun detail. I love that rounded edge. It just gives a special look to your cards. Next up, we have some great stencils. We have our peppermint stripe stencils, and I love these because they can create a peppermint stripe, but you can also rotate them over each other to create really cool plaid backgrounds too. And then this is our candy cane background stencils. It's a 2-step stencil that creates the cutest little background. Look at those candy canes. I just love them, and it's a really, really great background to all of your holiday and winter cards. These are our bokeh circle hot foil plates. We also have coordinating dies for them. We have a cluster of circles or individual circles that you can layer onto your cards to create a really cool hot foil bokeh design, which is so gorgeous and really beautiful for holiday and year-round cards too. We also have a brand new foiled sentiments Happy New Year, and I love this because it fits a standard size 3-inch circle so beautifully, and it's so gorgeous for New Year's projects. And then next up, we have brand new paper collections. We have 2 of them, and the first one is called Falling Leaves. We have them in both 12 by 12 size and 6 by 6s. You can buy collection packs or individual packs of papers or those cute little 6 by 6 pads. And the patterns on this are so gorgeous. We have these stunning fall colors with fall leaves on the front and then fun kind of gingham textures on the back that help these go not only from fall but also through the winter season too. These are just so gorgeous and fun. And of course, we have the 6 by 6 pad too that has all of the designs reduced by about 50%, and you get 36 sheets in this pad. Next up, we have our candy cane lane paper. And just like Falling Leaves, we have the 12 by 12 size and the 6 by 6. And this paper is so much fun for the holidays, and it has a gorgeous gold foil pinstripe on it. And here you can see that beautiful detail. It is absolutely stunning. And I love that these stripes are great for the holidays, but they can work year round too. And then the back sides of the paper are so much fun. We have these fun things like peppermints and candy canes. We have little snowfalls and bows. So many gorgeous things, and of course we've got that beautiful foil texture on the front of all of the papers. And of course we also have the 6 by 6 pad, which has 36 sheets, and the designs are reduced by about 50%, and of course we have that gorgeous gold foil on the stripes too. We have 4 brand new colors in our new style of hemp twine. We have orange, purple, white, and black, and these really fill out the rainbow of all of those twines, and they're so much fun for adding details onto cards. And last but not least, we have our brand new washi tape. We have our book club washi tape, a latte love washi tape. We also have no tricks, just treats, and our Santa and Friends. And these designs are so much fun. They're perfect for Christmas time. They're perfect for Halloween. I love the coffee and the books for all year round. That book one, oh my gosh, it's just so beautiful. These washi tapes are so much fun. And that is a look at the product in our Fall/Winter 2024 release. We had so much fun during this August Inspiration Week, and we are looking forward to more intro videos ahead and to sharing more card inspiration throughout these next few months, including our September and October Inspiration Weeks too. And we are so excited that all of these Fall/Winter 2024 products will be available on August 22nd. I also wanted to take a moment to thank you guys for all of your wonderful comments and for watching our videos and for just being absolutely incredible. We appreciate you guys so much, and we cannot wait to see what you're going to create with these brand new products because, oh my goodness, that is the very best part. We love seeing your incredible and amazing creations. We are so grateful for you, and you guys are tops in our book. Thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you have an absolutely amazing day. Bye.